Welcome to Goodwill School and PU College, a place where excellence begins with strong foundations. Our campus is built to inspire, designed to nurture, and structured to support every learner's journey. Each day begins with unity and purpose. Our morning assemblies instill discipline, devotion, and the values that guide every student's growth, mind, body, and spirit. Discipline is not just taught here, it's lived. From the moment our students walk in, they embody respect, order, and a deep sense of responsibility. Our classrooms are centered around one thing, the student. With qualified, passionate educators, we focus on clarity, connection, and curiosity. Be it diving into knowledge in our rich library, every lesson is a step forward, and every question is a welcome path to discovery. Coding in our computer lab, our state-of-the-art facilities empower hands-on learning, or exploring experiments in the science lab, every corner of our school fuels potential. Education doesn't stop at books. We believe in holistic development, encouraging sportsmanship, creativity, leadership, and character. This is more than a school, it's a foundation for the future. At Goodwill School and PU College, we're not just preparing students for exams, we're preparing them for life.